Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fred Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of April 8th to April 12th of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's gold rallying to new all-time record highs. And we did have a bit of a roller coaster ride this past week, especially in the U.S. markets, as we had CPI higher than expected, the core price index, that inflationary report, and then the next day, we had a PPI number, Producers Price Index, which was on the producer side inflationary report that came out more positive, and the markets recovered mostly. So looking at the various markets this past week, starting out with the Forex symbols, the US dollar did gain versus the major pairs, specifically the Japanese yen making new lows versus the US dollar. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones setting down on its support while the NASDAQ rallying back. Now looking at commodities, yes, gold made new record highs, while oil pretty much unchanged week to week at that 85, 86-ish dollar a barrel. Now looking at the stocks, it's Amazon, Google, and Apple that surge higher, specifically getting stronger. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remains steady at 70K from week to week. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we've got lots of events happening starting out on Monday, April 15th, first from the United States. We have an Empire State Manufacturing Index number coming out and retail sales that same day. Now on Tuesday, April 16th, from Great Britain, we have a claimant count change number. And from Canada, we have a CPI, core price index number coming out. Now on that same day, corporate earnings for Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs starting out this week. Now on Wednesday, April 17th, from Great Britain, we have a core price index CPI number coming out. And on that same day, we have corporate earnings for Adobe. Now on Thursday, April 18th, out of Australia, we have an unemployment change number coming out and corporate earnings for Netflix and Nestle. Lastly, on April 19th, that's Friday, we have retail sales coming out from Great Britain. So that's a wrap up for this week. We're looking forward to see you next week. Have a good weekend, everybody.